We are given to understand that the Finance Minister has now arrived at the Patiala House Court. As Meenakshi Bhanja was telling us, this is telling because the Finance Minister has decided to come to court in the middle of Parliament, and he of course does have a very busy schedule. But Meenakshi, take us to what we are expecting in court from here on now. Rhythm is also on the phone line. Rhythm, take us to what we are expecting from here on now.
Meenakshi, I beg your pardon. Look, like Meenakshi was saying, Arun Jaitly has arrived in court. There will be the pre-summoning stage right now. It's a criminal complaint that's being filed. The defamation charges are with times now. This particular prayer clearly says that all the Aam Aadmi Party leaders need to be summoned to court. All of them will be summoned. This is a pre-summoning evidence stage for which Mr. Jaitley is coming. The legal procedure is that the complainant, in this case it's Mr. Arun Jaitly, will be giving his statement in the court before Chief Metropolitan Magistrate. Once that statement is recorded, a second state of a witness will be given. That is given to prove that the charges that are being made or alleged by Mr. Jaitley are concrete. The witness will say, yes, I also believe in them. Evidence will be given here. The third stage then starts, because then Mr. Jaitley and the witness, having given their statements, can leave the court if they do. Once Siddharth Gupta, who's appearing for him before the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, will then say a word or two after this petition is heard by the CMM, who will take cognizance of the petition. As is the pre-summoning stage, after it has to be seen whether summons are issued to the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, who will then have to be present in court. Even as we are speaking, a more barrage of lawyers walking in support of Mr. Arun Jaitley inside court. We've seen senior advocate Siddharth Gupta here, and Arun Jaitley is also going to be in court in a matter of minutes, because I can see he's arrived here. He shall be moving inside the court along with his supporters, who will also get here at the Patiala House Court.
Right. Also, Rhythm, can you give us a sense of who all are accompanying the Finance Minister? There is, of course, a large contingent of BJP workers who are protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party outside, but who all are coming with him inside?
That's right, Nupur. In fact, even as we're walking inside, we can see Anil Smriti, who's an advocate in the High Court, who's here. There's Nalin Kohli, who's a BJP spokesperson, who's also a lawyer, who's present in court. Siddharth Gupta, senior advocate, will be leading that charge, who's also present here. Along with him, there are others, like you did say, BJP supporters and BJP MLAs who are walking into court. Even as we're speaking, all of them already here, and they are talking about what will happen in the case. So a huge contingent of lawyers also present at the court, other than the media contingent who's also present here.
Now, as you're pointing out, of course, Rhythm,